I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind, like a candle I just burn away.
Hello and welcome. I'm so glad that you're here today. This video is just going to be a slow Sunday reset. I know that normally when I post videos, or in general when people post like a cleaning video, everything is just so sped up, and I know that it's there to give you motivation, and a lot of people just either come for the music or the conversation, but I really just wanted to slow things down today, especially in this video. I feel like every time I get on YouTube, I'm just rushing, and it's come to my attention, especially over the weekend, that I really just want to slow down time for just a little bit. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I posted a little reel with my oldest son, and it was just kind of basically talking about, I wanted to spend a little bit of time with him while it was just he and I for a little bit, because he is expecting his first baby in November, my first grandchild. And it's just like, I feel like yesterday he was 5 years old and we were always at the playground. So it just made me think about how I really just wish that I could just slow down time just a little bit. So that's kind of like the message that I wanted to give you guys today. If it's just for a day or an hour or whatever time that you have available, just slow down for a minute. Just take a couple deep breaths and enjoy the scenery around you or the people that you're with, and just relax. Just take a minute to just slow down. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I enjoyed making it for you guys. It was actually on a Sunday that I recorded this. I wasn't really going to record anything over the weekend. I just kind of wanted to, again, rest and relax, but I did need to get some things done around the house, and I said, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and film a slow Sunday reset. Now, this is probably not going to come out until Monday, but that's fine. If you guys want to watch it on a Monday for a slow Monday reset, you can do that too. But I did need to get some stuff done around the house to just, get my week started off right, so that everything was clean and I had laundry done and things like that. I had an amazing weekend. I basically did a whole lot of nothing. I went over to my mom's and we laid out in the sun. We got in a little blow up pool. We had some fun food and drinks, and we just, relaxed and talked and laughed and sat and listened to music. And it was the greatest thing. So if you cannot tell, I got a little bit of a sunburn, and I'm okay with that. I did use sunscreen and things like that, but my skin is just so fair, it doesn't matter. Like, I can walk out in a full moon and get a little bit of a sunburn, and I'm fine with that. And I've also got shorts on. You guys know how I've talked about wearing shorts, and I'm really at the point in my life where I don't care. I really don't care. I'm tired of being hot and sweaty, and just irritated at the fact that I have, issues with my body, and I just don't care anymore, guys. I really don't. So if anything, just take my word for it. It's not worth it. It's not worth going somewhere and being hot and miserable and sweaty and upset at yourself and not being able to enjoy what you're actually there to do, because you're just so worried about your legs or your arms or your stomach or your double chin or whatever. It's taken me so many years to get over this, but I'm just over it, you guys. I'm just over it. There's too many more things in life that I need to be focused on besides my body and what people think about me, because I guarantee you, nobody's paying attention. Nobody's paying attention when you're out. So just do whatever you want. Wear the shorts, wear the dress, wear the tank top, whatever. Just do whatever makes you happy. I was also at Sam's last week, and I found this dress that was on clearance for $11. I also don't wear dresses either, but I got it. Something in me said, get it. So I'm just going to pop up a little picture of it right here. I think it is so stinking cute, and I thought, we have this little beach trip coming up in August, and I can wear that out for dinner, or maybe once when I talk Ruben into finally doing engagement pictures or something, I can wear that. I just thought it was so sweet and so cute, and I got it home, and I was like, okay, if it doesn't fit, that's fine, because it was a medium, and I generally don't wear a medium, but I figured for $11, I mean, who the hell cares, right? It's $11. So when I came home and I tried it on and it fit, I was so ecstatic and I was so happy, and I was like, see, you can do this. You can do this. Just, get over your fear of what people think and how you feel about yourself and your body. It just takes too much time out of your life and too much joy out of doing things. So I got the dress, and I'm so excited that I did. It's so stinking cute. I absolutely love it.
All we really have this time. All we really have is time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. What was it they used to say? Seeking you will find. There is nothing in you that is fading.
So when I started cleaning on this day, I knew that I wasn't going to go overboard. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time doing anything. So I just kind of picked and chose the things that I wanted to do, just the everyday basic things that I know I needed to get done, which is, pick up Bodhi's toys, get the floor vacuumed, get the kitchen straightened up, everything wiped down, dishes loaded and unloaded. I needed to clean off the couch, obviously. This Chom Chom, you guys, I don't know how many times I have to tell you how good it is. I mean, look at his bed. I just got it all cleaned off within no time. And that's always going to be linked in my Amazon store. So if you guys want to check it out, definitely do so. I've also got a lot of other cool things in there as well. I think I'm going to take a little bit of time this week and kind of go through my Amazon storefront and take some things out and just kind of clean it up a little bit. So if there's ever been anything in my videos that you've asked me about and I haven't answered you, more than likely it's going to be in my Amazon storefront. Another thing that I'm really excited about that I ordered, they should be here on Tuesday, but you guys, I know I've told you that my mom and I and, Jeff, we have that little inflatable pool and we go in there and get in it and blah, blah, blah. So it's really nice, but it's kind of a pain in the butt as well because, you have to take it out, dump it out, clean it, spray it, all that good stuff. And so I told my mom, I was like, look, they have these like tanning floats, basically is what they're called. You can, blow them up and lay down in them and they're kind of big and they're they've got a little bit of room there to where you can just put some water. Like if you just want some water in there to keep you cool while you're laying out. It's the coolest thing ever. So I went ahead and ordered us a couple and they'll be here next week. So fingers crossed the weather will be good next weekend so that we can use them. I'll definitely take some pictures of them and let you know how I feel about them. I know I'm going to love it. We've been looking at these for like 2 summers now, and I finally just bit the bullet and went ahead and got them. But I'm super excited to have them and try them out. We actually really lucked out with the weather this weekend. It was incredibly beautiful, and I think that starting Monday, the weather is just supposed to start to be crappy again, like with rain and stuff like that, which is fine. If it's during the week, I don't mind it, but on the weekends, I would kind of like to have a little bit of nice weather so that we can go out and enjoy it. Logan has been trying to get us to a baseball game forever, and it just hasn't worked out. Like the last few weekends they were here, it has rained, and we haven't been able to get to one yet, but I hope that we can get to one soon because, like I said, we don't have too many more weekends before the baby comes, and I just kind of want to spend that time with him and, let him relax and have a little bit of fun because you know how it is. If you've got kids, there's not a lot of time that you're going to have to yourself after that. But today we also talked about maybe taking just a little weekend trip to DC to see my other son and just kind of spend a little bit of time with him too. They're both huge history buffs, and they can go and see everything that Washington, D.C. has to offer every single day. They would just go and look at it every single day, and I love that about them. So I think maybe we might do that. I don't know. There's just so many things to do, but I kind of really want to do just like a little weekend with the boys again. I was telling my mom today too, I'm not going to be able to contain myself. Like once the baby gets here, I don't know, I'm going to be talking about this so much, so if you get tired of hearing about it, I'm sorry, not sorry. So I told my mom, I said, one of the greatest moments of my life is going to be when the baby gets here and we're all at the hospital and Braden goes in to hold Logan's baby and they're both just sitting there with this baby. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose it inside and out. It is just going to be the most amazing thing ever, hands down, just to see my kids just, holding this baby. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I'm just ecstatic. I cannot wait. And Logan was also saying too, he's like, well, Father's Day is just going to suck. And I was like, what are you talking about? And he's like, well, it's always all about Mother's Day. I was like, no, it's not. And he's like, yeah, Dad's really, they get the shaft. I was like, no, they don't. And you know better than that. So I'm going to have to really think of something good to get him for his first Father's Day. If you guys have any ideas, you need to let me know because I want to make it really special and have him just be really excited about it. I know he's going to be excited about it. And he's not all about gifts or anything, but I know deep down he's going to be so proud and so excited for his first Father's Day. And I'm going to be so proud and excited for his first Father's Day too. So if you have any suggestions on a really cool Father's Day gift for a first-time dad, let me know. I'm usually pretty good at getting things that are sentimental and, things that people enjoy. And they're like, man, that was a really great gift. I kind of pride myself on that actually. So I don't know. We'll have to put our heads together and try to figure something out.
All you ever do is shine. You are brighter all the time. And I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Make it with anybody but you. I don't wanna waste it on anybody.
I honestly didn't take very long to clean on this day. It was just like probably an hour, and I got everything done that I wanted to get done. I got everything wiped down. Everything was clean and nice. I just really like to start the new week with a clean house, and my laundry is done, and I just don't have to really worry about too much of it when I'm at work. So that's really nice. I enjoy doing that. I think this week also I'm going to try to start doing just a little bit of meal prep. I'm not a huge meal prep girl. Now I'll do some leftovers like spaghetti and pizza leftovers. I'm fine with that. But anything else, I'm not really, no, not for me. And the whole reason why I don't meal prep is because I don't see myself making something and then 5 days later I'm going to eat it. I'm just not doing it. That's just not my jam. But I do think that I can do something, like every day if I'm going to do something for breakfast, like some hard-boiled eggs or fruit or something like that. I've been really, really good about my water lately too. I don't know. I just kind of want to keep on this, this train that I'm going on. And now that the weather's nice, I can walk when I'm at work on my lunch breaks. It's just so nice. I enjoy doing that too. But I don't know. I'm just trying to do a lot of things better for myself, and I hope you guys do too. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I enjoyed making it for you guys. It was a little bit something different, and I hope it just got you a little bit motivated, and it got you to slow down just a little bit, because we truly, honestly need to just take some time for ourselves and slow down and just enjoy what we have around us. So I appreciate you guys coming today, and I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, go ahead and click that button before you leave if you enjoyed this video. Leave this one a thumbs up. That just helps me get out to other people across YouTube land. But I gotta go. I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you in the next one.